Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to set up a maintenance mode page in Elementor. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a template for your maintenance page. You need to go to the back end of your website and then click on templates and then come up to the top and click add new template. Then from the drop down you need to select page and then I'm going to give it a name of maintenance mode and then click on create template. This will then generate you a blank Elementor page to work with. I'm going to speed up the video at this point while I design my maintenance mode page. You can go as fancy as you want with this, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to keep it simple. I don't really need to go into all the design aspects as this video is more about how to enable a maintenance mode page. So there we have it, very basic and straightforward design. Now you need to go to the back end of your website again, hover over Elementor and then click on tools and then click maintenance mode at the top. And then you need to click on maintenance in the drop down. There is also a coming soon option and you can select whichever one meets your needs. But in my case, I'm going to be using maintenance. So then you need to select your template from the choose template drop down. In my case, I named mine maintenance mode, so that's the one that I'm going to use, and then hit save changes. So the website is now in maintenance mode, and you can tell that it's in maintenance mode because there's a red bit at the top that says maintenance mode on. And now I'm going to open my website in a new tab where I'm logged out. And you can see that the maintenance mode page is now active and I'm unable to access any other parts of the website. So that's it for this video. I hope that has been useful. Be sure to check out some of my other videos on the screen now. Please like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.